You want to know what the most important thing in life is? Hello and welcome back, y'all. It's another day and another hot Fudo Security update. Are you yearning for all things tech and cybersecurity? Well, then you've come to the right place and we got you covered. So, tech and cybersecurity take center stage, finally, at this year's World Economic Forum in Davos. So in their annual Global Risk Report, it's the first time that data breaches and cyber attacks have been featured in the top 5 global risks. So as we all know from last year's big security wake-up call with unprecedented disruptions like WannaCry and the sheer amount of attacks plaguing companies and industries the world over. The report sees the rise of digital transformation and the increasing connectivity of IoT as the world's blind spot. Also, a powerful mention to critical infrastructure like utility companies. As you might recall, last year, hackers gained access to US utility company control rooms, which is terrifying, as you wouldn't have power and Wi-Fi, and that means no Fudo Security update. Bad stuff. So, the annual glitzy meeting of who's who of business and politics has rightly put cybersecurity where it should be, on the top of the list. Now let's see if the world will see it and listen, because it's at the top of the list. If you were to make Home Alone today, well, the movie would be pretty boring. Why? Because there's a higher chance that Kevin will have his email hacked and Fortnite V-Bucks stolen. Oh yeah, more on that later. Than anyone breaking into his house. So according to the Office of National Statistics in England and Wales, they conducted a survey which revealed that computer misuse was higher than robbery and theft. So get ready for Home Alone 6, the hacking of your smart home, which will be in cybersec theaters near you in 2025. Wow, I had no idea there were 6 Home Alone movies. Okay, crazy. What's that? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a SpaceX rocket? No, it's probably a drone. So you better get ready for your flight to be canceled. If you like drones, that's cool, because I like drones, but it's not so cool if the rules and regulations and people using them aren't so clear. And they put people at risk, and cause you to wait at the airport for several days. But God save the Queen and Her Majesty's royal response. The drone incident last December at one of the UK's busiest airports has prompted both Gatwick and Heathrow to procure anti-drone systems. And don't take my word for it, but I think this is just the beginning of this stuff. Wow, take a look at that. That is serious hardware. Pretty impressive. According to a think tank which polled 2,000 people in the UK, the British public apparently believe that drones and UAVs are a serious national security threat. Sorry. Unless you live on Mars or any other planet, you have probably heard and played, I'm looking at you, one of the biggest games, Fortnite. Enjoyed by millions, including rappers and football players. It's really, really cool and popular. And also, hackers seem to love it quite a lot as well. A security bug allowed attackers to gain access to user accounts after they clicked on a suspicious link that was sent to them. Once in control, an attacker could purchase and gift the in-game V-Bucks. So if you see that newbie player with a ton of upgrades, kind of suspicious maybe. So this was all discovered by Checkpoint and conveyed to the game publisher Epic to be fixed. Moral of the story? And what's the most important thing in life? Well, besides zombies binding us together, passwords, and passwords. Secure and sophisticated passwords, please, and play on. That was your weekly Fudo Security Update, guys. Read on below in the stories, and don't forget to subscribe for the safest tech news update ever. And have a good one, and stay safe.